How to close SIMPLII account. So log into your SIMPLII online banking account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the support or contact us section. Look for the option to close your account or speak a representative. If there is no specific option to close your account online, consider reaching out to a customer service for assistance. Contact customer service via phone or secure message through your online banking portal. Provide them with your online details such as your account number, personal information for verification purposes. Request to close your account and inquire about any necessary steps or procedures. The representative will guide you through the account closure process and may ask for a reason for closing the account. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.